Today I'll show you how to delete or cancel a Google Ads account. Canceling a Google Ads account stops your ads from running, but it does not delete your billing history or campaign data completely. You may still be able to access the account later to view reports, invoices, and past performance. First, open Google Ads and log into the account you want to cancel. Before canceling, check your campaigns. Go to Campaigns and make sure you are canceling the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google Ads accounts. If you only want to stop spending money temporarily, you can pause your campaigns instead. Select the campaign, then change the status from enabled to paused. But if you want to cancel the full account, go to the left menu and click Admin. Now open Preferences. Look for the section called Account Status. Click Cancel My Account. Google Ads may ask you to confirm the cancellation. Read the message carefully because your ads will stop running after the account is canceled. If everything looks correct, confirm the cancellation. After canceling, go to Billing and check your balance. If you have unpaid charges, Google may still bill your payment method for costs that were already made before cancellation. If you have prepaid funds left in the account, Google may refund the remaining balance if your payment method and country are eligible. You can also remove users from the account if you no longer want other people to access it. To do that, go to Admin, then Access and Security, and review the user list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted or canceled a Google Ads account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.